How to do: remove chest hair. Feel like you're smuggling shag carpet under your shirt? Lighten your load, and get a look that's sure to impress. Instructions: Step 1. Consider having your chest hair permanently removed with a professional laser treatment. This is by far the most expensive option, but it requires the least amount of maintenance. After a few sessions, chest hair is gone for good, and you'll have that baby smooth look and feel forever. Did you know? A poll of men's grooming habits revealed 1 in 10 men trim their chest hair. Step 2. Go to a pro and get your chest waxed. Although this process can be painful, it lasts 2 weeks or longer, often without the irritation associated with shaving or creams. Step 3. You can also use a depilatory cream to remove chest hair. Apply it liberally to the entire chest and wait 5 to 10 minutes as directed. Use a damp washcloth to wipe the cream and the hair away, and then hop in the shower. Discontinue use if burning or irritation occurs. Step 4. If you want to get rid of your chest hair completely, shave it. For best results, shave in the shower after exfoliating thoroughly and lathering up with a moisturizing shaving cream. Shave with, rather than against the grain, to avoid razor burn, and apply fragrance-free lotion or aftershave when you get out of the shower. Quick tip: use a shaving brush to work lather under the hair for a gentler shave. Step 5. Reduce chest hair with clippers. Set the guard to the desired length and run the clippers over your chest and stomach for a neat, trimmed look.